Hello and welcome to NFA Queen's very first ticker video for YouTube. Today we're going to be going over the ticker ACHR. I will say that ACHR does have a lot of pullback in the incoming future. I will say that just from what I'm seeing, that ACHR is showing signs of weakness, which means we will be consolidating a little bit farther back than we already have. Let's go ahead and get this started. Let me show you exactly what I am seeing. So currently we are in what I like to call a broadening wedge. With that being said, there is potentials for a little bit more upside before we have another fallback, but it won't be much. I think that what we're going to end up doing is we're going to be pulling back up, probably retouch this 926 range right here. And as soon as we touch that, it will reject and fail, and then we will continue to the downside. I do foresee in terms of places that it could have a very minor support is about a 979, but that will probably fail. The reason being is there is not enough support here for this particular area for it to hold true. So we will probably come back down into this range, maybe at the top of the 842, bounce off of it, and then start working our way back up. However, I want to let you know and inform you that the 842, it could still candle wick down into the ranges of an 822 and even potentials, and this is worst case scenario, a 741 range. Do I foresee that happening? No, that is just more of a worst case scenario if things go haywire and this support here fails. An 842 to an 832, the candle wick will touch, bounce back out. We will consolidate just a smidge on this bar and work our way back up, probably retouching this 879 and then working our way back up into that 919, 916 range, getting back up in here and then reconsolidating in this zone here, this orange zone here in between my 1018 and my 942. This range here where I'm talking about consolidation is very common. We've already had 2 attempts to break out of this particular zone, which both had failed and come right back down in multiple times to retest and revalidate these levels in these zones. We did try one more time here, and our resistance is about a 1061. So we will probably consolidate in this zone a few more times, retesting this 1061 range before we will see more upward momentum to a potential 11.15 to even maybe a $12 gain again. But until that happens, we will be probably consolidating here for a while. I mean, maybe a couple of days, maybe weeks, who knows? It really just depends on how the market and, just the stock in general, how it decides to move. If any, like we have earnings coming up here, so that could be a big indicator. Last time we had earnings, we had upside. So around this time, maybe Monday, the 17th of March of 2025, okay, we will probably see more upside. We will probably see that little jump, that little boost that we've been waiting for. So right now we are in a consolidation period. We will not be seeing much movement. I mean, maybe minuscule of just consolidation, of retracing, making sure we are validating our supports and showing where our resistances are. But other than that, this is about the ranges that I am seeing for this week of ACHR. Again, I appreciate you so much for watching this video. This is actually my very first video on this account. So if you could please like and subscribe, and then we can come back and retouch on this as the week progresses, and we will just kind of keep eyes on ACHR. Thank you so much again. Have a great rest of your day.
I met someone who was made for me, someone who loves me, and it's sugar sweet, the way they kiss me.